And
Okay.
then I asked him to resend me another one, but it's just now I work on Fridays. So the times that he's giving the sessions, I'm at work.
You know they have them Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, right?
Okay, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But they're
Mm-hmm.
still early in the day. They're still early.
I'm not sure what time they are. When he'll ping me and then I'll just go in if I'm available.
Okay. Okay. I'm not seeing my computer screen. What the world?
Hey
Yeah,
Mm-mm.
everyone.
I was having
Hello,
issues
hello.
with
I might
connecting
have to
my
leave out
computer when I
and
got
connect
in.
back in because I'm not even seeing my computer screen and it's saying I'm
Oh,
connected.
I had
Uh,
to literally uninstall the remote desktop app from my computer and reinstall it.
It's a
and
new version, so I don't know if
yeah,
you use the new
yep,
version or not. I
that
just
is
told
right.
it for today, stick with the old version. So
Oh,
yeah.
I
uh,
didn't.
Actually, that's what I just finished doing is updating everything.
Oh
Yep.
my God.
Yeah, me
Okay.
too.
Can
Mm.
so
I
I'm
all
on
did
the
right.
old version.
yesterday.
I can still connect, so I'm good.
Try
So
sharing your screen. Everyone, try sharing just to make sure.
Okay. Let's see.
Okay, let me get my shopping
Oh,
stuff
what's
out.
this?
all right.
What
So
this shit
FYI, I
before?
won't be
Oh,
on
that's
here.
tight.
Unfortunately, I can't be at the full class today because I got a DJ on Twitch for
For
an
sure.
event.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. No, that's cool.
this is the
And
DJ that's on now. So I just happened to add this up. I wasn't even thinking when you said
Oh,
share.
okay. Yeah,
okay.
we
Yeah.
That's
can
what's that channel? I need to add you to my Twitch.
Oh, Twitch. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
What is the channel?
Okay.
I'm
No, no,
DJ
no. I'm gonna have to
underscore
leave and come
Marcus
out
J.
because it's not even
Okay.
letting me click on the buttons.
But yeah, so I can
Um,
share. So
you
let me
can't click
stop.
the buttons
Okay,
up here,
sure.
sure.
no, it's not even letting me. Like it keeps appearing and disappearing.
Mm.
Sweet.
Oh,
Yeah, you may
Yeah.
need to leave and
Let me,
come back.
yeah, because just a moment ago it was showing everything. So
Okay.
let me leave out and come
Oh,
back
damn.
in.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm, I get.
Okay.
Yeah. So, how was everyone's week?
Oh, man.
Uh,
Ooh,
I feel you.
it was
Oh,
something.
Angel may not make it because my cousin picked him up to take him driving, take his
Oh,
to do driving lessons, so they may not make it back.
okay. Hey, G Deuce,
Man.
Marcus,
you're
I need you to
short.
help me do something.
whoa, I ain't like that one at first. She's like, Mark, you don't know
Your
what the hell
height
did I do?
is
I didn't
low.
do
Nah,
anything.
what's up?
They helped me use that oh God, Prism, so I
Prism
can look
math.
at. Yep.
Yeah, it's
No,
pretty
not
cool.
math, not the math.
Oh,
For
The
streaming, I'll see
for
what I can do,
streaming.
but Prism isn't what I use, but I'll see if
What
I
you
can
oh,
help you.
you,
using to go into?
Direct stream with OBS, but I use VRCDN over
I
there.
do. I have OBS, and that's what I was hoping to use. So maybe,
S-
yeah, you show me
So
how to
like
do
you want
that.
to stream like on Twitch, for instance, right?
No, I want to stream in what's his name? Kip's thing.
That's what I thought. So that's a little different, but okay. So when you stream, you mean just get like we'll
Okay,
talk. But I
because
got you.
I also have Plex, and I was wondering, can I use Plex in there to show my stuff?
Probably so.
Okay,
Yeah,
all
we'll
right,
figure it out.
all right. And confession, Rich, I'm still catching up on the videos, watching them,
no
watching them.
problem.
I finally did a little something this week.
Oh,
No
yeah. I
problem.
didn't
Yeah,
do nothing this week. I ain't do nothing on my site this week. So.
yeah. As long as you all want to, we'll just keep coming back each Sunday, and whatever you have, we'll cover it, and then also if anything comes of interest, you'll always be able to bring it up, and we can talk about it. We can try it out.
Oh, yeah.
Mhm.
You
Did
know,
have
it's,
a question.
go ahead.
So, if I connect my domain, I can still make updates and stuff like that, right?
Sure, yeah. You'll just
Okay.
have to you'll once you connect your domain to your website, you'll need to sign in again. So if you've saved
Oh.
your username and password in your password manager, because your URL will be different,
Mhm.
you'll have to sign in again. Yeah, so that'll be the only difference. But then once you
Oh.
sign in again, everything will be exactly the same. It'll be just under your domain from that point forward.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Cause I was like, so I want to go ahead and connect my domain, but
Yeah.
I'm not finished totally. Like,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah.
Once you're
Oh,
ready, yeah, once you're finished with all of your updates and you're ready for the world to see it, that's when you connect your domain. And
Okay.
once you're ready to connect it, it literally only takes us a few few minutes, we'll do it. What I'll
Okay.
do is I'll make, well, since I don't know which host you all are using for your
Mhm.
registrar, um, it's hard to make one video that shows how to do it for everybody. So that's why I was
Yeah.
going to do it like on a
I'm
per
using
person basis.
Bluehost.
You're
I'm
using
using Blue.
Bluehost? Yeah. So
Yes.
have
see,
I
yeah,
have GoDaddy.
you got
Yeah,
GoDaddy. So I use
GoDaddy.
GoDaddy. I can make a video for you.
Okay.
And for you,
Mhm.
Trey, I'll just send you a link in their documentation on
Okay.
what link, what steps to click.
Okay.
Yeah, and that's what I was gonna do. Depending on what registrar each person uses, I'll just find like what steps. But basically, the only thing that's gonna happen is you'll give me your domain name,
Uh-huh.
Mhm.
and I'll give you the server IP address, and you'll create an A record and your
Uh-huh.
DNS with that IP address pointing, that points back to at my server. And
Uh-huh.
then from that point forward, once DNS update, which literally most of the time only take a few moments, from that point forward, you'll be able to go
Okay.
to your website from your domain. And then at that point, like I could set up like an email address for you. If you
Okay.
want it, like for example, Trey at whatever your domain is .com,
Oh, okay.
we can set that stuff
Mhm.
up, and
Oh, wow.
all
Okay.
types of options come
Oh,
available
man.
once you do that. Yeah.
It's gonna be cool.
And then
Okay.
your WordPress site
Okay.
will begin sending notifications, um, all sorts of stuff. And technically, the
Oh,
reason why
wow.
your WordPress doesn't send out notifications right now is just based on how spam is handled. So, like
Mhm.
when it comes to spam, like an incoming mail, the email address has to be registered on the server. If it's not, then it gets flagged as spam. You know, and so
Mm,
since this system, like you don't like if you was to use a Gmail address, the Gmail address isn't registered on the WordPress. So
Mhm.
it would, like, if it sends out under that, it would technically be spam. But then once we set up some things on the back end, then you can map it and all sorts of stuff, and it'll send out under
Mhm.
whatever email address you want it to. But yeah, it'll take us a few moments to set that stuff up, and we'll do it at the same time we do your domain, basically.
mm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Yep.
Okay.
So we'll go ahead and get started now. It's time. Hey, Cyber Shay
Hi.
just came in. How's it going?
Hey,
Hello,
Mhm.
hello. How's
Hello.
everybody?
good.
Hey, what
So
up, Cyber Shay?
Hey.
so for starters, does anyone have anything in particular they want to bring up?
And it's crazy because I saw a lot of updates on my dashboard, but then after I came in here, you just said you updated some stuff, your stuff. They all gone. It's all gone now. So
The updates for
it was on my dashboard, and it was like it showed updates for what did it show? In my plugins
oh yeah.
and
So
this
some
what is the YOAST?
Yoast.
Yeah, what is that?
That's your SEO plugin. We started covering that last week actually.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So let me go ahead and add that in here. I didn't put it in. I had just told you all to add it. But let me just add it real quick. So with Yoast, it does you can go through this little setup. I'm not going to go through it because I'm not trying to optimize this site. It's just a little dummy site that I'm using to just kind of like do examples and stuff with you all. But I will show you around some basic stuff with this plugin. One of the things that I'm going to point out is when you go to a page. So let's take, for example, this home page. On your home page, down here at the bottom, you've got your Yoast SEO uh, little panel area. And you can see a little snapshot of how like search engines might display this page in search results. Okay. And you can switch from desktop to mobile. Now you can put words, you can put content in here. So, like for example, you can put a focus key phrase, and the focus key phrase is going to be you can, and that's another thing. They've got lots of educational content around here. You can always click the little question mark and go to the page. But the focus key phrase will be, like the main uh, collection of keywords that this page is about. Let me turn
Hmm.
that you want this page to, be SEO optimized around. And then it's going to give you Yoast is going to give you a score based on it.
Hmm.
And also it'll give you this like analysis results, and you can go through and try to improve upon it. It's going to do it based on the words that are on your page. But you can also come down and you can create a title and a slug and a meta description. Now, and then there's these premium features if you upgrade. But on each of your pages, you can do all of that. And another thing is that under this social, wait a minute. Yeah, this social, this image right here. If you select an image and give a title and description, you can also do it for the Twitter one right here. If
Hmm.
you put those in when you send the link to someone, so like let's say you send your the page to someone through Instagram Messenger or something like that, or through a text message, and you know how it shows that little thumbnail.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where you would put that picture that you want to
Oh, I
show.
think I did that on accident, but I did it.
Well, if you don't put one there, then it will select like the first picture on the page, right?
Huh.
And so like that, sometimes it may be something you want it to be. Often, often it will not be, But if you want to control and know for sure what that picture is going to be, that's where you would set it at.
Okay.
That social image right there.
Where did you go to do that again?
So it's under social.
The social. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, the social media appearance, and then don't worry about this social share preview. That's a premium feature, but here under select image, you would just hit select image, and you would select the image that you want right there.
So he said you go to. I would go to pages, and then I go to my home page, which I don't remember which one is my home page.
Oh, give me one moment. I'm glitching out.
Uh
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I don't know what just
oh.
happened. Give
Taking
me
a
one.
nap.
Yeah.
Is
Hey, your
am I?
body
Is
glitched, but we hear you fully.
you hear me?
Oh yeah, we
Yeah,
can
you
hear
Okay,
Yep.
you.
I'm
So
grayed
just
gonna.
make
out.
sure you're not talking about us.
I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna disconnect and come back in. Let me just
All right.
stop it and come back.
Okay.
All right.
So how's everybody doing while we waiting?
All right.
You good? You frozen
No
over there, G
complaints.
Deuce?
Oh no, she's moving. We just
We
don't hear
can't hear
you.
you. We
Huh.
can't. Are you on mute?
Oh,
Okay. She says she's on mute.
Hmm.
okay. Playing music. Oh, that's my thing. Oh shoot.
Uh oh, you playing music?
I'm trying to get to his Twitch so I can add him on before I forget.
Mm.
Hmm.
DJ Marcus.
Yeah, DJ underscore Marcus J. I think I'm
Okay,
gonna
who
open
is
up the
this?
station tonight because it's like two. Matter of fact, Lex is on after me. I'm actually raiding into Lex's channel tonight, so I'm gonna probably just go ahead and let it just run at the radio station.
Oh, okay. So you're gonna be streaming in VR and online?
Yeah, so from 8 to 9, and then Lex would be on from 9 to 10, and then the person whose birthday is 4 He'll be on at 10.
Got it.
So
Oh, damn.
Okay, I'm back.
Oh, there you
Yeah.
go.
I noticed that see the people that was coming early at the beginning probably remember that when people would first start coming in, um, it would always boot me out. Then I would have to come back in.
Mm.
So yeah, it's something about like in the beginning, for some reason it always glitches me out, and then I have to come back in at some point. But last week
Hmm.
it didn't do it. It didn't do it last week.
No.
Hmm.
Okay, so let's see. Yeah, back to where we were at. So here you can see I set this picture right here. So if I wanted to share this page, it would use this as the thumbnail, and then you can put the title and the description that you want to show in those areas there.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay, so yeah, when it comes to the entire site, like if you hover over and go to hover over Yoast SEO and go to general, you can go to your first time configuration. Yeah, and start and run this SEO data optimization wizard, and also here under settings. Let's see, homepage. Yeah, let me see. It's don't get me wrong. I mean, there's a lot of like features that you unlock under the paid plan, but the free gives you the core basics. Like here we go. Yeah, the site basics,
Okay. How you get
website
there?
name. You put your name in here.
How
Put
did
your
you get
tag.
there?
Excuse me.
How did you get there? Let's see.
So Yoast SEO settings, site
Oh,
basics under
settings.
general.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. Okay, I'm with you now.
The separator. So okay. So notice how. Let's see. Right. Okay. So notice how right here we've got appointment booking calendar. We've got simply schedule appointments. But then over here, let me see. Yeah. See over here. Okay. On this one, it's got appointment booking calendar hyphen WordPress plugin, and then it's got the pipe, and then WordPress.org. Over here, it's got site basics, and then it's got the that uh, greater than sign, and then settings, and then hyphen Yoast SEO. So you can. This is where you've got your separators, where you can do that kind of stuff. And basically, what that's separating is the site name from the page title. So if you was on the page, if you was on, whatever page, if you was on the About Us page, it would
Mhm.
be, in this case, my website is Second Life Rich, right? So it'd be Second Life Rich, whatever symbol you select right here, and then About Us or About Me or whatever. So that's how that would be. This would be your site global image. Like if you don't set a page image back there, it would use this one as a default, and then all of these other your usage
Hmm.
tracking and all of that. But this so yeah, it's a good plugin to
Okay.
just do basic SEO optimization on the page for free. But if you do upgrade, then it locks all sorts of
Uh,
functionality, and then also ability to it also integrates with Google Sitemap under the
Mm.
free. Like you can generate a sitemap also under the free version.
okay.
Yeah.
'Cause that's where I got my domain right now. I got it under Google Sites. I got
Google
it
Sites.
attached, yeah, Google Sites,
Okay.
yeah, and I attached it to one of the sites I bet on Google Sites. So,
Okay.
yeah, so yeah,
Gotcha.
and I
Yeah.
don't know where I like I put my image to use my image for my site, cause like when I send my link, my site to somebody, it shows that image. But I don't
Hmm.
know where in the world I put that. I don't know where
It
I.
might, yeah, you might have it on the page. It could be, yeah.
And then
Well,
you remember how like we used the template at first, and then you
Mm-hmm.
showed us how to do it from scratch.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Like, how do I like delete that template version page? I don't know which one is which. So.
Sure. So how about you start sharing so I can guide you through it, and I'll come up front. Okay. Okay. So go ahead and go to the page.
Okay, I got to the.
And you want, so just to be clear, what you want to do is delete the
I want to delete the template for the one I'm not using, because this one right here is the one from scratch. I did from
okay.
scratch. This the
Why
one
am
I
I
want to
just
keep.
seeing a silhouette of her?
Okay. You don't see me?
I see a tracing of you.
Huh?
Oh, really? Does everyone else see me?
I see you.
I see
Okay.
Oh,
you.
I see you.
oh my
I
Okay.
can see you.
goodness. That is crazy.
Okay.
Let
Okay.
me
So you have this. Now, is the other layout also on this page or is it on a different page?
I think it's on this one. It's on my contact page. I think. No,
It's
well, my contact page is different. So yeah, this is. I think the layout. No, I did this from scratch. So
so then it's on a different page then, right?
yes.
So then you can go to your pages, just hover over your yeah, and go to your dashboard and go to pages in that case. And then so you've got this one right here is currently set at your front page. But do you think
Oh,
it's
okay.
this one right here? Let's open this one up
Uh,
in a new tab.
um.
That's a draft page. You can delete everyone. You can delete this sample page.
Oh, okay.
And
Okay.
if you want to create a privacy policy, you can put it in there and then
Okay.
publish it.
So I just click trash to delete it.
Yeah, you could just hit trash. And anytime you delete something, it always goes to your trash. And your trash will build up right here. And you can always go into the trash and restore it if you need to. But you can also
Okay.
go in and empty your trash and then
Oh,
it'll
okay.
purge it forever.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you
Well,
can do the same thing with the extra one. So let's take a like you can hold your control key down and then press view on this one right here. And then we can see if this is the one that contains the template that you want to delete. And if so, you can just delete it. So we
um,
already know that's the
take
front
view.
page, right?
So how do I know that's the front page?
Because it says it right here.
Oh, this one. Okay. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
okay.
Yeah.
This
So
one.
Mm-hmm.
actually, let's go to the front page and see if that's it. So you can hold your control key down.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm
Yeah, no,
sorry.
it's okay. Cause I just like to pop it open in a new tab. That way you could get back to it quickly. So
Okay.
this is
Mm-hmm.
this is the one you want to keep or get rid
Yes.
of.
This the one I want to keep.
Okay, so let's go back. So go ahead and hit your back button.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No worries, no worries. We're just trying to get back there. Let's see what this one is. Open this one up in a new tab.
Mm,
The view. Yeah.
Control.
Come on over here. This is the one you want to get rid of.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so you can go ahead and hit this X right here, and then you can just go ahead and throw this one in the trash.
Okay.
You've also got two contact pages right
Huh. Huh.
here. So you can check and see which one you don't want to use, and you can throw
Cause
the other
they
one in the
both look
trash.
the same. That's. I think.
So then, in order to not confuse yourself, get rid
Yeah.
of the extra
Yeah.
one.
Exactly. That's what I'm trying to avoid. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yep. Yep.
Okay. So how do I? Let me see. Well, I'll go back here, and then this contact page. Okay. So this what this look. See, and okay. So let me.
You
Dash.
can spruce this up a little bit if you put like a background behind that
Oh,
form.
yeah, I wanted
So
to do
you
that.
still,
Yeah,
yeah.
cause you can see the text better.
Right, yeah, it just kind of start clashing with the
Um,
form labels.
how do I go back? Go back here. Enable. Oh, sorry.
No
Can I
worries.
change pages while I'm in the visual builder?
Well, no. I mean,
I
no,
can't.
because when you're on a page, you see this part of your URL right here. This
Uh
is what turns on that visual builder. So if you were to leave this page, it would get rid of that, and you would no longer be in the visual builder. You have to
huh.
go to that page and then enable visual builder. Then it reloads it under that URL.
Oh, I see. I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
So see how it is right here. ET_FB equal 1.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I see
That,
that. I
and
see
then
that.
and page speed equal off. Like that part right
I
there is
see
how it
that.
turns on the builder.
Yeah.
And you still, I can see that you still
Okay.
have the index.php. So you can go and turn on your change your permanent links to post name also, so that you get that
Which
index.php
one?
out of there. No, I'm
This.
just noticing that you see how you've got the index. Remember we covered that the week before last, where you can get rid of that
Uh huh.
index.php. I was just noticing it.
Index.
Well, you don't have to do it right there. You do it in the
Okay.
in the permalink setting. But we can finish this part first,
Okay.
since we're already here, and then I'll
Okay.
guide you over there.
So I click the gear
Yeah.
and
And then
then
go to design,
design.
and then let's do, well, no, not, excuse me, not design. Just standard content. Go back under content,
Oh, okay.
and then under background right here.
Oh, here it is. Okay.
Yeah. And then give it, since you got white text, maybe give it a black. Let's just try a black background. So just click the black.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now you can make it bring, you can like show a little bit of
Like
the
make
background back there. Click this gear wheel right here.
the
Uh.
transparency.
Yeah, yep. So
Oh.
yep, this, and then drag this one down a little bit, and you'll be able to see through it some. But you can still,
Yeah, there
so
you
you
go.
see how you starting to see
Oh,
through
I
it a little bit,
see.
yeah.
Come on.
Oh,
Uh-huh.
okay.
And
Okay.
maybe round those corners a little bit.
How do I
Yeah,
do
make them
that?
So
softer.
scroll down. No, excuse me. Go
Design.
under design. Sorry,
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
and then go to border,
Mhm.
and then just throw like a 25 on the corner on this one. It'll,
25.
yeah, 25, and it'll update for all of them. So you could
Oh,
just put it
okay.
in one. It'll
Oh,
make a 25 pixel radius.
Oh, okay.
No, you have to type 25 fast. You see how it's got two, because it's going to type the px for you. So you got to delete
Oh,
that.
I see.
You got to type it fast. 25. There you go.
Okay.
okay, yeah.
Yeah, and then it'll put the, see, I
Oh
put the
yeah,
little.
look, curve this.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I see. I see it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And now
Awesome.
let's do one. Let's throw a load animation on it. So scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then do a animation. Scroll down a little bit more. The animation, yeah,
mm.
and just make it like fade in or something.
Fade in. Okay.
Yeah, that way
Oh,
when the page
okay.
load, yeah. So go ahead
Okay.
and save that with the green check.
Mm.
Then hit your bubble. Now let's go ahead and exit this and fix that index.php issue.
Okay.
It's not an issue. It's just not
Yeah.
pretty. So go ahead and exit your visual builder. Yeah, you can do it that way too. Go hover over settings, and then go to permalinks right here.
Permalink.
hmm
Mm.
And then post name.
Oh,
So
okay. You
just,
can the different formats.
This
yeah,
one.
post name. Yep, do that one. That
Choose.
way it just uses the name of the page or post, and then scroll
Oh.
down, and then hit save changes.
Mm. Mm.
And now if you were to go to your contact page, you'll see it doesn't have that index.php in it anymore.
Mhm. Okay.
It just has
Oh,
the
okay.
page name.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so
Oh,
that's good
okay.
for SEO also.
Oh, okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. So,
Mhm.
about this contact page, I don't know which. Like, I got two contact pages, and I don't know
Yeah,
which.
so this one is a draft. You can go ahead and throw that one in the
Oh,
trash. We
this one
know
is a
it's not
draft.
that one because it wouldn't have loaded. Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
I can trash that. Okay. I'm
Yeah.
just trying to
So
keep
now
all my
go.
stuff clean.
Yeah, just
Yeah,
check.
yeah, yeah. Go ahead and go and just go to your front end just to make sure. So you can go and just try to go to your contact page.
Yeah, okay. So this is this. Okay. Then go to contact.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So where's that animation that we put in there?
If you refresh the page, you'll see it on load.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah,
Okay.
it fades in.
Hmm. And
Mhm.
then if you put, let's imagine that the page has content that goes beyond the fold.
Hmm.
As you scroll that content into view, it triggers those animations.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay.
they lay, without any animations going until that part of the page comes into view, and then they activate. But if they're
Got
at the
you.
top of the page like this, it happens on page load.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Awesome. All right. Thank you so much.
no worries. No.
Mhm.
Okay, so I'll go back to my desk. Okay, so anyone else have something they want to raise? G Deuce, how about the appointment booking situation? Did you have a
Um,
chance?
Oh yeah.
yeah, I ended up using one of the ones. Let me see. Uh,
So I sent this one, the appointment booking calendar, but then also
mhm.
this one, which is
Yeah.
a bit more fancy
Can
and
I?
also integrates with Divi.
Oh, which one is that one? Is that okay?
Yeah, simply schedule appointments.
But that isn't a. Is that a
It's a plugin.
plug-in? Oh, okay,
Mm-hmm.
okay.
Yeah, and it actually has a. You see down here, there's a link to. I mean, they even say Divi right
Hmm.
here, but there's literally a Divi um, module for it.
Okay. I thought I connected it, but I
Wait a minute,
didn't.
let me
That's
find it.
weird. Let me see my dashboard pages.
Yeah.
So I think the one I chose one with the best rating, and
Wh-
uh, uh,
You chose it out of the WordPress repository out of here. You did a
right,
search.
yeah,
What
and
you
the
did was
plugins,
you
yeah,
came here,
uh-huh,
searched for
right, and
appointments
typed
booking.
in yeah, and I just put in appointments. I didn't put in booking.
You put in
Uh,
appointments.
mm-hmm. And and then I made sure it was compatible with my version of WordPress, like that one. The booking for appointments, that one says it's untested, so I didn't look at those. I think it
Mm-hmm.
was the one on the left, the second one on the left, the appointment. Yeah, because for some reason, it doesn't look like I had started it. I don't
You want
think.
to share your screen and just go to your plugins menu?
Sure.
Okay.
Oops. Okay. That's my little pop-up. I couldn't get that second option for pop-ups. I couldn't get that one to work, so I used the first option where I did the generated via the AI.
You generated it with the AI.
Yeah, my little
You didn't
pop-up.
use the plugin, the original okay.
No, because I couldn't get that one to work, so I said, well, I'll just deal with it later.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see, sir.
So if you click your WordPress logo right there, it'll just take you to your dashboard. Yeah, and then just click plugins and let's just see what you've got.
Hmm.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. You got yeah.
And I did
Simple
install
schedule.
it. Oh, this one.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is the one.
Which
No, no,
one?
no,
No,
you
no, it's not installed. That one isn't, right?
okay. Yeah, it's not installed, sorry.
Where's my mouse?
Yeah, go to
This
install.
is this. This is the one.
If you, yeah, go to install. Yeah, that's the one that's active. You can
Mm-hmm.
always see your installed plugins if you click installed right here. Yeah, it'll show you what you have installed, and you can manage them. You can update them, delete anything that you don't want or anything like that. But yeah, so you've got this one, the appointment. So have you set it up?
Mhm. No, no, I had
Have you gone
started
through
it.
the setup?
No, I haven't.
So over here, have you? So if you go ahead and let's start with general settings. Now, to be honest with you, I think you should probably try the other one because
Okay,
it's literally like got a Divi module in it.
that's cool. We can go with that one.
Okay. So let me send it to you. I'm gonna upload it into the workroom,
Okay, probably need
and
to
then you can
install.
download it from inside of workrooms.
It's probably just the home page. Yeah,
Give me one moment.
close you. My LinkedIn. Well, oh, I can't get to it from here. It's on my phone.
If you want to go ahead and well, probably give it one more second.
You're putting in the Workrooms Instagram?
I no 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 on the workrooms workplace. So if you go ahead and just go to our workrooms workplace that we have for this group, so workrooms.workplace.com, and then go to Huma Club Workroom, and everyone can download it. But yeah, I just uploaded it there, and I am adding it to this site. And actually, if you want to stop sharing your screen, I'll go ahead and share
Mhm.
mine, and then I'll show everyone how I'll just like
Yeah.
go through the process of adding this,
Okay.
and
That'd be
then I'll guide you through it. But then
mhm.
I'll just do it right here also. So for starters, I put the plugin right here. So if you come in under the Human Club workroom under our workplace, you can download the plugin here. And then you come into your site and under plugins, add new. Instead of doing a search for it, you're going to do an upload. So you upload the plugin by searching for the file that you download. And so here it is, install. And then it's going to, show this. Just go ahead and activate plugin. And then, and once the plugin is activated, we'll get this little appointments button right here, and then we can set it up. Welcome to Simply Schedule Appointments, like a first time here. Yes, help me please. Time zone, so it's going to detect all of this. Looks good. Set up your appointment type. Looks good. All of your stuff, you can configure all of that. I'm not going to go through all of that. That's for
Mhm.
you to do, but let's just go through all of this so I can add it. So then, okay, this is the part we was looking for. At the end of that, you have this, but they said, I'm going to copy this just in case, but they said that Divi, they said that there is an official Divi module for it. So let's come here under our site. I've got updates that I may need to make here too. Enable Visual Builder. And then let's just go ahead and pop it in somewhere. I'll just select the right here at the top, appointment booking,
Hmm.
and there we go.
Oh,
Cool
that is so
beans.
tight.
Okay. All right.
Oh man.
Nice. Nice. Nice.
So,
Nice.
and basically, and you want to uh, take the time to go through the process of configuring all of your booking options, your availability, and all of that stuff. But you
Mm-hmm.
see that there's like there's integrated compatibility with Divi versus with the other plugins. Not trying to say they're not good plugins,
Mhm.
but they don't like have that integration with specifically Divi. And
Mhm.
that's the reason why I was recommending this one over that one.
Okay.
But it's also a clean, good plugin.
Okay. So I downloaded the plugin, but I haven't
Hmm.
activated it yet. Like, do I have to make a space for it first?
You do
Or-
not. You
Okay.
the only thing that you need to do, and let's go through it again. But G Deuce, you want to share your screen, and then I guide you through it, and
Sure.
then you can just follow along from there.
Okay.
Trey,
Okay.
let me come over here.
So I've got a login, and this is what I hate.
Okay. So yeah, go ahead and get signed in. You can stop sharing while you put your credentials in. Oh, okay. Never mind. You're already in. So yeah, there's a new update under Human Club. And then right here, just download this somewhere where you can get it easily.
Okay. It's probably just going in my downloads folder.
Okay. And so now you can go to your site. You can close this page out also. There's no need to keep it open. And hover over plugins. So first let's uninstall. Let's deactivate your current appointments plugin.
Okay.
So yeah, you let's try to never have two plugins activated that's trying to achieve the same goals.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I don't have one of
Yeah.
those.
So if you ever find yourself trying out multiple plugins, if they're trying to do the same thing, make sure you deactivate. You don't have to delete it, but make sure you at least deactivate it first. And then when you decide you're not going to use it anymore, delete it. Um, so you can keep that in there if you want to evaluate it later.
Nah.
But for now,
Keep going.
go ahead and hit add new. Oh yeah, you can delete it though.
Yeah.
Yeah, just add new. Upload plugin right here at the top,
Mhm.
and then choose file
Mhm.
and go ahead and find it.
There you go.
Simply schedule. It's right there.
Really? Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Cool.
you don't gotta unzip it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Nope. You don't
All
have
right.
to unzip it. It'll do it itself. Yeah. WordPress will unzip it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Here I
So
go.
right now, when you click that, you can notice that it's uploading
It's
right there.
it's
It's
where I'm
scan.
at.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm. Yep. Activate plugin.
Activate plugin. Okay.
So now it's active. The first thing you have to do is set it up, and you do that by clicking on appointments down here.
Oh, hold on. Oh, snap.
And then go ahead and yes, help me. And then at that point, you can go through. So you see, it's automatically going to detect based on your browser.
Mm-hmm.
But as if it makes a mistake, then you can make an adjustment. You can edit it, but you can scroll down and just confirm. So yeah, so if you hit need some adjusting, you could make changes. Otherwise, looks good. Let's go.
Okay, yeah, I'm
Okay.
behind
So
right
now this point right here, this is you're about to run into the same steps that you would have to do with any other appointment booking, platform, like if you use Calendarly or whatever, right? Like you got to set your availability, what the meeting is, meeting types, and all of that stuff. But if you want, you can just go ahead and scroll down, and you can glance over any of this and see if it's anything you want to pop in there. If it's anyone that has any questions about any of this, before she clicks continue, please say something.
I'm
Otherwise,
way behind. Like I'm at the other page, so
you're at the other page.
yeah, the
Do
page
you
where
do you need us to
yeah
wait
the
until you
other. So
get
I'm
caught up?
away. I'll wait.
Because we
Oh
can wait.
no, I'll wait because I don't know what to click on. So I don't know what to click on. So
Do do you want to share your screen so that we can just get you caught up?
oh
Yeah.
sure. If I
Okay.
don't want to hold
Yeah.
nobody up. I don't want
Yeah.
to
I
Let's.
hold.
want to see it too.
Go ahead. Just share your screen and
Okay.
let's get you caught up. So if you wouldn't mind pausing for a moment, G Deuce,
Sure.
and then
Mm-hmm.
we'll
No
get him
problem.
up here.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So where
Okay.
you
See,
at,
I'm on
Trey?
this page. I just click activate, and it took me here.
Okay. Yeah. And so now notice how you have an appointments
Oh, this one.
link down here, right?
Oh, okay.
So now you're pretty much caught up. So yes, please help.
Okay.
Yes, help me, please.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And
Okay.
that's going to detect your time zone and everything. Just check, make sure that it's accurate or that it's the way you want it, and then
Chicago. Yeah.
just
Okay.
looks good.
Next
Let's
page.
go.
Okay.
And
Okay.
now you're at the same point. So let's
Okay.
let's get G Deuce back up here.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Meetings will be and one more reminder is that this plugin is also freemium. So there's the free tier, but then there's additional features that you unlock through upgrades.
Mhm.
Maybe maybe I'll get the developer license and share it with everyone.
Okay.
Go ahead and hit continue, because maybe I'll stop using Calendarly and start using this.
Yeah.
I've been using Calendarly for a long time. But yeah, so this is where you're going to configure your availability.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have any questions about any of this part right here?
Mm-mm. I'm
Yeah.
just taking that off. Not available
Mm-hmm.
those times. Right.
Cause I know I right now I use Google Calendar and it
This will
has
integrate with your Google Calendar.
huh. Cause like Google Calendar has a scheduling like thing where you can
Well,
schedule and a scheduling bookings. They have a booking page on there too.
yeah,
So
yeah,
and
and you
I
use
saw
that.
some of the plugins. They had some plugins for Google. I saw, but I don't know if they like integrate as good as this with Divi and all that stuff. So
Well, no, it's not going to integrate with this. And then another thing is that, well, um, yeah, I mean, the Google Calendar is a great tool, but it's not a robust appointments booking solution.
uh,
Like it has its limitations, but it's great for keeping your like meetings and your appointments
uh,
organized.
hmm,
So like you want to use a different platform for the interface for booking and then send it over to the Google Calendar, but
hmm.
because the calendar is hooked into your phone and all of that kind of stuff,
Cause
but
let me,
it's just
cause I
not
wanted to
a
show
very
you this real quick, if you don't mind.
hmm
Just real quick, I wanted to show you this, cause Let me
Okay,
show you this real quick.
let's switch G Deuce to him while you work on getting that together.
Yeah, I
Yes,
wanted to show you this real quick. Just real quick.
let's
See,
get
it's
you with.
the Google. This is the Google scheduler, so they can literally go here, choose a
Mm-hmm.
time, choose a date, and all that stuff. But this is
Mm-hmm.
the Google.
Mm-hmm.
So is that the same thing as Google Calendar?
Well, so first of all, this is so if they want to use this, this is gonna you got to give them this link, and
Yeah,
this
I
link
do.
is not
Yeah.
integrated into your web page. So the first
Oh.
thing is the integration. It's not integrated, whereas the appointment booking plugin is literally integrated seamlessly onto the page.
Oh.
Another thing is in regards to like all of the other features that come with like appointments booking. So this has a nice calendar and like you can
Mm-hmm.
select, but basically you can't demand a payment before booking. Like there's like you can't like get that email address and then put it into a mailing list or something
Oh.
like that. You can't like send them to another page after they book. Like it doesn't send out reminders. So
Well, it does send out
to
reminders.
you, not to them. Well, if they've got Google Calendar, then it would send them a reminder. But something like this will send them a reminder, whether or not they've added it to their Google Calendar.
Uh,
You
cause
see
I
what I'm
know when
saying?
I
So you can,
schedule people, like it show up here, and then like it'll ask me, do I send them a reminder, like of the meeting that's coming up, whatever. Is that
right?
what you mean?
Okay, it'll let you configure to
Yes.
send them reminders if they. Okay,
Yes. Yeah,
okay,
it lets me do that. Yeah, I
okay.
do
Well,
this
that's
like
cool.
in settings, and then it'll let me go in here and do all the settings
Right.
in here. I can do all the schedule window and all this stuff. So I
Okay,
can do
and
that.
so it will send them reminders regardless if they have Google Calendar or not.
Yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
nice.
So I
Okay.
was just trying to see if it was some kind of way I can integrate that. Like,
Well, so you can link to it. So
okay,
you can if you want to link directly to this page, you can
uh-huh.
link to it. I don't know if there's like an embed option. If Google gives you an embed option
Yeah, I
for
haven't
it,
seen that. I haven't
so
seen
you
that
can
bad
just
option.
Google it real quick. You can just Google like Google Calendar, Google Appointments Booking Embed Code or something like that.
Okay.
Google Appointments Embed Code,
It's
Appointment Scheduling Embed Code.
embed code.
Yeah, so there you go. Click the
Huh.
yeah embed option. Yeah, there you go.
Huh. Oh
So well, no,
wow.
that's using it with Zapier, but there you go with Zapier again.
Oh,
But
Zapier. Huh.
that's doing. But no, you go down here. Let's just right. Yeah, let's share your appointments schedule. But yeah, up here, I think that's
Huh.
coming from Zapier. But go to this one right here,
Huh.
or hit that. Let me see. Share a link. Scroll down. Share a link. Add a button to your website. We already talked about those two. We're looking for embed code.
Here it
Embed.
is.
There we go, right there. On
Oh
your
wow.
yeah. Click the share button under website embed. There you go.
Oh
So
my
then you'll be
goodness.
able to embed that.
Wow.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay. All
Yeah.
right.
So yeah.
Awesome. Thank you.
All right. No worries. G Deuce, you want to go back up there?
Sure. Hmm.
Mhm.
Ah. Okay. So let's see. I can stand over here and then I'm out of the screen when you're doing stuff. Okay. I just realized that that's what these little feet are for down here. So when yeah, I can get out of your way. Okay.
I should take out 4 to 5. That's Young and the Restless. I don't know.
He's so young and restless.
Yeah, 4 to 5.
Well, I was on mute. For really, really, you can't. Girl, I ain't mad at you. You got to have your me time.
Y&R. Yeah, Y&R.
That's right.
Okay.
That's right.
But I'll update later. Okay, so then continuance, I'm done. Okay.
Correct. Okay. So yeah, how much notice you need when someone books. Yeah,
Mhm.
and see, Trey, can you configure options like that with your Google Booking?
Yes,
Can you
yes. You can
demand like
configure that too.
okay,
Yes.
nice. All
Hmm.
right, yeah. Hey, and it's by Google, so
Yes. Yeah, that's why I
like
use it. I'm like, yeah, you can. I can. Yeah, I was like, man, I wanted to know how I can integrate that, cause
right.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, but this is cool too.
Hmm.
But yeah, I see all these settings she's going through. I can do that on
Hmm.
Google too.
Okay.
You
So
can
if I
have
click
different
that, what
booking
does it
types.
say?
I think so. I think so, cause I haven't. I think I've seen an option for that. Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
let's say 30. Okay.
But you can't charge for book for appointments.
No, no,
That's
no.
one
Yeah,
feature
that's
that
the
you
one
can't.
thing I can't do. Yes, you're right.
Yeah.
You're right.
And then also it's not going to be like it's not seamlessly integrated into your website, but you can
Exactly.
yeah, but you can connect it.
Yeah.
Like
Okay.
I mean, seriously, it's like I mean, I don't want to defend like the plug-in approach after the Google Calendar approach, but there are benefits to doing it this way, but like they're only valuable if you need them.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Truthfully,
Got
like
you.
that, yeah, you can keep it simple and use that. Um,
Yes.
I've been using, and another thing is I've been using Calendarly for so long. Like I honestly, like I've never even known that you could do that with Google. That you could like set up
Oh.
an appointments like
Oh
booking
yeah.
like
Oh
that.
yeah.
Yeah, I didn't even know you could do
Yeah. I
that.
used to
Oh,
do
I
it
didn't know that.
on like when I had meetings with people. I just send them the link, and then they
Hmm.
just literally go on there,
Mm.
fill it out, choose
Yeah.
what date. And yeah, it's simple.
Yeah. Yeah. During
And
the
I know a lot of
pandemic,
people use
Google.
Google already.
Yeah. During the pandemic, Google built all sorts of tools. Like, yeah,
Oh yeah.
yeah, they
Oh
built all
yeah.
kind of stuff.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah,
Uh-huh. They took full advantage of that.
yeah.
Yeah. Hmm.
Click continue.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay. Look. More. Let's
Yeah, and then this is
see.
the info. Yeah, your information. If you want to display your phone number, if you want them to have to put in their phone number, their address, like any of this information, if it's required.
Mm.
Um, yeah. And then what's going to happen is like under the paid version, then you would be able to add custom fields. But
Okay.
yeah, and so there you go. Got your
Mhm.
recap. So yeah, and you don't have to worry about these short codes because you're using Divi. So
Mhm.
these short codes are only for if the person is not using Divi. But
Mhm.
since you're using Divi, you've got the module already in. So
Mhm.
just scroll down after you check everything and just hit continue if it's all good. And then that's it. So now you can just go ahead and hit go to settings. That way you leave this page and just hit this right here. This little arrow right here. You just want to get out of here. Yeah, back to the WordPress dashboard.
Mhm.
And now you can go to whatever page you wanted to put it on.
Mhm.
And you can so go ahead and yeah, edit with the Divi builder. Yeah. And it's right there.
Mhm.
And then you can hit this booking type right here. And then yeah, it's got all. But if you had additional booking types, they would show there. But you can just hit this little uh, check mark, and here it goes right here.
Ooh-wee,
Wow.
yippee.
Now,
Okay.
can she modify
Wow.
the background and everything on this
Mm-hmm.
right here?
Sure
Okay.
can. Yeah. So you first of all, you've got all of your design tab elements over there, and you can do all of that. And then there's some configuration in the settings back there as well.
Okay. Yeah, I can do all that. Yeah. Cool beans. Awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
No worries.
Wow.
Yay.
Yeah. So does anyone have any questions or anything? I'm gonna have
Mm-mm.
to
That was good
kind of leave
information.
out on time today.
Mm-hmm.
Eh,
Mhm.
Okay.
if
No, that
no
was
one
pretty
has
good.
any questions or anything, we can.
So do we just set up a session with you to connect our domain?
Yeah, just ping me through Instagram and we'll go through.
Okay.
Yeah, just if you just ping me, you can either
Mm-hmm.
send me a private message or you can send it to me through the group.
Mm-hmm.
And then like whichever way you feel most comfortable doing it, and then we'll just go through the steps.
Okay.
I'll send
Cool.
you. Actually, I'll put the IP address.
Mm-hmm.
Truthfully, the only thing that you have to do is I'll put the IP address inside the Instagram and inside the Workrooms group. I'll put the IP address in. If
Mm-hmm.
you know how to add an A record, you can just go ahead and add it. But you have to give me your domain because I have to configure my server with that domain.
Okay.
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 So that's why I like it because we both have to do something.
Mm-hmm.
Got you.
But
Mm-hmm.
it only takes a second. But if you wanted to like just kind of be proactive, you could take the IP address, go ahead and create the A record, and then just say, "Hey, Rich, here's the A record," and then I would go ahead and map it to the server, map
Got
the
it.
Got
domain to the
Okay.
server.
Okay.
But
Mm-hmm.
whatever way you want to do it, just ping me. We'll go
Mm-hmm.
ahead and do it, and it'll take a moment.
Okay.
you.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay.
No
Okay.
worries.
All right.
All right,
Well,
all
Mm.
thank you
right,
very much.
everybody.
We
Thank
appreciate
you.
Well, thank
No
you.
you so
Thank you
much.
problem.
again.
No
Excellent. Excellent.
no problem. You all have a
Good
great
week.
week, and I'll see you next
Cheer.
Sunday.
All right. See you.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.
All right. Bye bye.